If you've moved this insulation, go ahead and put it back into place. If you've moved your plug for your O2 sensor on your downpipe, put that back in the clips, and make sure that all of these are all nicely back in place. So all of my plugs are back in connected and locked down. All of my E8 posts are back in and they're set. So all of these are good to go. So go ahead and we're going to plug that evaporation line back in, put our cover back on, but we're almost done. Evaporation line, I tucked it back like I did. Go ahead and just pull it back out really carefully. Work its way back up to that connection, and you hear that nice pop. So make sure it's got a good clean pop when it goes back into place. This clip probably came off, so make sure to put that clip back on right here so your hose doesn't move on you. At that point, you should be good to go, and you can put your vanity cover or the engine cover back on. That goes on very, very simply. It's got rubber grommets all the way around. You're just going to fit it back here underneath. You're going to fit it back down on the posts. So there's a front post right here, another post right here, and I got the front down, got the back down. My insulation's in the way just a little bit, so I'll fix that, just like that. There we go. Cover's back down into place. You're all done. Good job. All right, all done. As you can tell, this is not a hard project and it doesn't take a lot of specialized tools. It just takes a few simple tools that are going to serve you on other projects anyway. And I really believe where you can save the money to do so. I mean, shop time used to be $100 an hour, then $125, $150, $175. I've seen shop time as high as $250 an hour now, and a 1 hour minimum.